Have you ever been to Bali? If you have, you might know this rare and beautiful bird, the Bali Starling. Like sign. Bali isn't just about stunning beaches. It's also home to this endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. With its snow-white feathers, striking blue eyes, and unique call, the Bali Starling is a true symbol of the island's natural beauty. But here's the sad part. They almost went extinct due to illegal poaching. Today, they're protected and slowly making a comeback. Have you ever seen a Bali Starling in person? Or just found out about them now? Drop a comment if you've been to Bali or want to visit and see this amazing bird.